Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. It gives me a great pleasure again to welcome Colonel Armstrong to Adam Center. All of you know about her. There's no need for a long introduction. But I would like to say that one of the most beautiful books about Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, peace be upon him, written by her. That's enough introduction. And she wrote it, and you read it, and you can see her respect and the love for the Prophet. And we have benefited tremendously for her visit last time she was here. And this community is very excited about the Chart of Compassion. And you remember we have read the Chart of Compassion, and we will be the first mosque to adopt the charter officially, and will be the compassionate mosque. Will be many mosques, inshallah, will join into this through United States, and in those mosques will adopt the charter. Will be a board where it says this is a mosque, is a compassionate mosque, and we have the tenets of the Charter of the Compassions written there. Therefore, I would like to welcome her back here at Adams and have you to benefit from her wisdom this evening. Welcome.
Thank you.